of the Central Joint Operations Committee, CJOC, and the service chiefs, I wish to inform members of the public that on August 14, 2026, around 1930 hours, a joint task force team from the Central Joint Operations Committee, including the Drug Enforcement Commission, conducted an intelligence-led operation at the named premises in Kabulonga. The operation followed intelligence gathered following the recovery of the 7.3 million kwacha from the second task force operation in Lusaka. The operation followed intelligence concerning activities by individuals of national interest suspected to pose a threat to national security. The Defense and Security Wings had been monitoring these activities since November 2023. Upon arrival at the residence, the Joint Task Force team was welcomed with gunfire and resistance from unknown individuals, resulting in the task force returning fire. In the process, one unidentified male person was fatally wounded and the firearm was recovered. The unidentified person was immediately rushed to the hospital for medical attention, where he was pronounced dead upon arrival following social media reports about the missing person. Efforts were made to ascertain whether the description of the body matched that of Mr. Mutotwe Kafwaya. This evening, family members were called and they've positively identified the deceased as Mr. Mutotwe Kafwaya. Persons apprehended. A total of 11 persons were apprehended at the premises as earlier announced in the statement by the Secretary to the Cabinet. Among the suspects were 3 ex-commandos with specialized special forces skills presenting a potential national security risk with connections to hostile groupings. These individuals possess extensive military skills and were trained as snipers in marksmanship with small and high caliber weapons, hijacking and assassination skills. They have specialized special forces training in weapon proficiency and intelligence gathering and are qualified commando tactics. They also possess skills in specialized military and operational techniques, as well as being highly trained in survival, escape, resistance, and evasion. They possess extensive military experience acquired over approximately 2 decades of service within Army Special Forces. In addition, there were 2 retired police officers who were trained in weapon handling and field craft. One of them served with the Flying Squad C5. The 11 persons are being held in connection with alleged offenses relating to treason and any other offenses that may be established during the investigations. All suspects will be dealt with in accordance with the law, and those who are found not to be connected to the alleged offense will be released. Items recovered. During a search of the premises, a joint task force team recovered various items. The recovered items have been secured and are being subjected to further examination and investigation. 1. Firearms, ammunition, and related equipment. The Joint Task Force team recovered high-grade restricted military evasion automatic Uzi weapons, 5 AK-47 rifles with 60 rounds of ammunition and one Zastava pistol, among others. Other items recovered included 4 Beretta magazines, 1 bulletproof vest, 1 commando dagger, and the firearm maintenance equipment, including gun cleaning rods, gun oil, and cleaning kits. 2. Tactical and security equipment. The following tactical and security-related equipment was recovered: 1 pair of high-grade military vision binoculars with night vision capability and a BAK 4 prisms, 4 pairs of tactical gloves, 2 black taser-type devices, 3 Baofeng walkie-talkies, 1 walkie-talkie charger, 1 digital video recorder, DVR, and 1 video splitter. 3. Electronic and ICT devices. A number of electronic and ICT devices were also recovered from the premises. The devices have been secured and will be subjected to forensic examination in accordance with the law. All documents, records, communications, or other digital material obtained from the devices will form part of the ongoing investigations. Ongoing. The Defense and Security Wings wish to assure members of the public that the operation was intelligence-led and conducted in the interest of national security and the protection of the public. The recovered firearm, ammunition, electronic devices, documents, and other materials are being subjected to detailed investigation and forensic examination to establish their ownership, source, intended use, and the possible connection to the alleged offenses under investigation, including treason. The 11 apprehended persons remain in custody as investigations continue. These include 1. Mr. Brazil Soko, aged 56, Mr. Jackson Mutioka, aged 41, Mr. Bernard Chewe, aged 41, Mr. Simon Piri, aged 43, Mr. Richard Banda, aged 49, Mr. George Kangwachisanga, aged 59, Mr. Trevor Mwamba, aged 68, Mr. Francis Mlenga, aged 26, Mr. Emmanuel Mlenga, aged 56, Mr. Patrick Mwansa, aged 39, and Mr. Darius Mwila, aged 57. Any other persons found to have been involved in the alleged offenses will be dealt with in accordance with the law. The Defense and Security Wings further with political affiliation, occupation, or status. All persons apprehended will be accorded their constitutional and legal rights. The investigations will be conducted professionally, impartially, and in accordance with the law. Members of the public are urged to remain calm and avoid speculation or the circulation of the unverified information regarding the operation and the ongoing investigations. Further updates will be provided as investigations progress.